So I started with DCL in 2002. At that time, in the US market, they developed regulations that required diesel particulate filters. They realized that there were already 2 million diesel engines in the field, so they also had to come up with some sort of solution to address that, and that's where companies like DCL came into play. We developed retrofit products that would allow easy installation and retrofitting to machines that were already in the field. So it took a lot of innovative engineering and customization and a lot of, frankly, field work, going back and forth to the sites, having our engineers look at each machine. DCL made a name for itself. In fact, in North America, a lot of places in the Northeast and in California came to equate DPFs with DCL. They would call asking for a DCL rather than a DPF. One of the first projects I was involved with was the Big Dig in Boston, meaning the tunnel running underneath the downtown area of Boston. This was designed to replace the aging highway that was encircling the downtown area, and the city wanted to bring that all underground. We were very successful in that project because not only were we providing a diesel oxidation catalyst, we were also providing a customized solution. There are companies that we forge long-term relationships with them, which in a lot of cases help them grow to become better companies and stronger companies, which is a strong testament to our product line. My name's Tony Almeida. I'm the sales manager for North American division of the Off-Road Solutions. We're passionate about what we do, and we care about the results.